I'm not a lawyer, but out of great respect and indissoluble commitment to humanity, so I don't make too many mistakes. I don't say I will not make mistakes. Too many costly mistakes. I surrounded myself with great minds, and one of them is Friend Lateef Fagbemi, the Attorney General of the Federation. Getting it right, charting the course for Nigerian nation's building is extremely apt. It's extremely relevant to the present day situation in our country. We have to get it right. And together is the theme that you have to come. You are placed in a very strategic situation in the country and strategic profession. Together, that's what my presence here is all about. You are learning. I want to learn. Where is the level of drilling down on the inquisitiveness of Nigeria intellectual properties will take us? Please examine. Why are we blessed and so blessed, and we are still lacking? Change of mindset. We accuse our nation, our previous leaders. We complain a lot of the past. Is that a solution? No. Look forward. Be determined. God has given us the creative mind and will. African people are not dangerous people. We must respect our greenback, our passport. Greatness of our nation depends on that pride that we owe to the next generations, that Nigeria is our country, our motherland. Building on those hopes is our responsibility. Not about you, not about me. First of all, let me thank the majority of you present here tonight for volunteering to defend me on a number of occasions when I get into trouble or I get sued. It's not about money. It's about your love for my activism and my capacity. You volunteered. Thank you. Men and women of the band. Whatever it is that I'm doing right, remind me. I will continue to do them. Whenever it is that I'm doing wrong, tell me. I will change my code.